Mkondo Gwaza. Viva Mkondo, viva. Comrades, sila esikoleni eBhekundi umhla ka 9 kuJanuary 2026. Si ward no si cluster seWembezi efaka ama ward awu5, ward 8, ward 9, ward 15, 16 and 17. Sikwi program la esithi siku back to school clean up campaign where sihambela izikole siklina ama class where possible sikwazi nokulokhuza ukhatha utshani, but in the case of iBhekundi high school siklina kuphela nje ama class. Kuke kwenzeka last year sane campaign la ngaphakathi yokufaka ama window yahamba yangaphelela, so sizoqedela futhi even nakulonyaka esikona, but for now sikhona nje uzoklina. Sinalento ethi thina ngekhathi zethu bekufuneka usuke ekhaya uclean ugezile ufike uzothinta ama desk angcolile, so sithe this year ngoba umkondo wesizwe ukhona ingane nje afika ama class ese clean zingene funde zibuyele emakhaya. So ke part of our campaign is MKP ukuhambela izikole around Wembezi, and we are also encouraging our comrades from amanye ama cluster to embark also kule program of ensuring ukuthi i-visibility yethu as MKP iyabonakala. So in conclusion, I'm with our comrade eWembezi cluster le amanye sizojoyina, so we will take you through as program iqhubeka. Okwamanje uklina nje ngaphakathi emaklasini sikline even nala ko Vrandi ukuze come next week abafundi bangena nje eklasini bayafunda. Viva Mkondo, viva.
Viva.
Thank you.